Hi. Sorry about the delay. We had some technical difficulties, but we are here now and we're really, really excited I don't know if all of you know, but a few days ago, we announced a partnership with Canva. Canva is world renowned. It has 130 million active users per day that design and create designs and videos and anything you could possibly imagine can be done on Canva. And now HeyGen is live on Canva, and you have the ability to create AI videos, avatars. It's really, really exciting. You can create and build your own avatar. And we also, not only are we utilizing Canva technology, but we have the added benefit of their huge, vast library of resources to make those videos even better. So we're really, really excited. And today we're going to go through some questions and show you how it's all done. And with me is the Chief Product Officer of HeyGen. His name is Wayne Liang. He is the creator. There is nobody who knows this product inside and outside better than the two co-founders. And Wayne, I'm very excited. Welcome. Once
Thank you. Nice to
again,
be here.
yeah, it's exciting. This is a huge announcement, and so the response has been overwhelming, literally overwhelming. People are so excited. So it's nice to be able to do this, show them how it's done, how easily it's done. And I just have a few questions before we get started. Why Canva? How did this happen, and why is it important?
Yeah, that's a great question. Thanks for asking. So at HeyGen, we've always been thinking about how we can make, content creation easier for people who really need it. It's probably not like those experts who are already creating very professional content with Adobe Suite, but it's the creators and business owners who need content to be created, but they just don't have the either time, resource, or whatever skill set and team. So that's the beginning of us building actually generative AI with HeyGen, and along the way we've been thinking about how we can extend the technology and the capabilities we have built with our AI into more communities or other ecosystems and products. And Canva has been definitely the biggest community of all the creators and the business owners who are constantly creating their daily content easily and quickly. So we've been working hard on this Canva app actually since last year. It took us a long while because there was some back and forth in the middle. And some of you guys know that we have also launched a chat GPT plugin a few weeks ago. It was also well received. That was like also like a sister project with this Canva app. But Canva app is definitely a more serious and also formal attempt for us to really get closer to those creators and small business owners or smaller teams who needs really good content to be created. So we're very excited that we have now finally released this part of extension, and we would love to see how Canva creators can be benefited from this, right?
Yeah, as a content creator, this resonates with me because it's the hardest part of the business. When you're creating for social media or whatever it is you're trying to do, whether it's for the website or, it's always a little bit of a challenge. And to have these
Mhm.
resources is a huge, huge advantage. When
Mhm.
you're a marketer, it's just a huge advantage. So it's really
Right.
exciting. Okay, so we know now who you've created it for and why. So, what is the next step as far as what people are going to be using this for?
Yes, so it can be used for many useful and different scenarios. What we imagine, but it's definitely not like all of the possibilities, is that people can easily create external facing content to promote their business, their product, or to build their social media channel content with an engaging AI avatar from Canva design directly. I'll show a few examples later, which we I built myself, and some of our users are already building. But it can also be internal facing because we know some people use Canva to do presentations, PowerPoints, and like internal training, even employee onboarding. So everything that you guys have been doing with Canva can just be leveled up now with engaging, realistic, friendly, but also informative AI avatar talking about the content, the message you want to deliver in a few minutes, right? So it's really about like your original use case, but powered up.
Perfect. Let me, so we had a couple of questions that have been, that a couple of questions I wanted to ask before we, do the demo. And these are
Sure.
questions that actual Canva users have asked me that weren't familiar with
Hmm.
HeyGen.
Hmm.
And a frequent question is, what pricing plan do I have to be on?
Hmm.
So
That's a good question. So actually, HeyGen Canva app shares the same mechanism as HeyGen product itself because the account system is the same. So it also has free credits when you just sign up. When you invite your friends, or say, for example, if you come to this webinar and get free credits from attending the webinar, the same credit can be used on Canva app as well.
perfect. So again, make sure Joy is going to be putting a link in the side where you can go ahead and sign up. All of you, anyone who attends and stays till the end, we will go ahead and credit their HeyGen account a 5-minute credit, which if you're doing explainer videos and they're no longer than 60 seconds, that's actually 5 videos you could create. So
Mhm.
that is a little added incentive. We really appreciate the fact that you're here. We know that sometimes it's not easy during the day to get here. So thank you so much. Our little way of saying thank you.
Mhm.
So, okay, there is that. Now, are they able to create avatars that speak different languages at this point in Canva?
Uh, the current version is only in English, but we are releasing the next version to support all the languages that Haitian itself supports, which is like 40 plus languages with almost 300 plus voices with very diverse locales and accents. So we're bringing almost the full Haitian into Canva in terms of avatars and voices. So please stay tuned. It's coming up like maybe early next week.
Wow, that's quick. That's
Hmm.
called once it's in, it's very easy to like, integrate all the other features. So
Right.
my next question was about voice cloning because a lot of people also wanted to know if they could
Hmm.
import their voices, their own voices, to their avatars or to their talking photos.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a great question. Again, the information say the selection of avatars and voices are also shared across with your original HeyGen account in the main product. So people can still go to HeyGen to create their voice clone, and they
Mhm.
will be able to use that in their Canva app. All your private avatars or your talking photos will also be available in your HeyGen Canva app, so you can use it directly here.
Oh, that's amazing.
Hmm.
So that's awesome. We've got that. I'm just sorry, I'm just looking at the other questions that we have. I think that we are ready to do a demo now. I'll just let people know very quickly. You're going to show them this that they have to connect. Once they're in Canva, they have to go to the left of their screen and they'll uh, click on Canva app, look for
Hmm.
HeyGen, and then connect their HeyGen account. And
Hmm.
that is how easy it can be done. And if you want to run us through a demo, let's see what it looks like.
Sure. I'll share my screen and walk people through how it looks and how it works. But before
Perfect.
that, I want to shout out to like all the Canva users and creators in the audience. Like this is actually the first version we have built as a Canva app for all of you. But it's not the end, it's only the beginning. We have a lot to do and we wish you to be able to try that and give us your feedback to guide us through the next steps so that we can continue to make a better either Canva app itself or HeyGen main product, or if there's any other places, other system that you are using and you think you would wish to see HeyGen being there, let us know too. We're happy to learn about your system, your environment, and see if we can build a plugin or something like that for you there. Okay.
Yeah, I feel like people don't understand how important that feedback is, whether it's positive or negative. We actually need to know in order
Mhm.
to make the product better. So yeah, that's always good.
Exactly. Okay, now let me share my screen and
Perfect.
let me change the audio setting a little bit and share my screen so that people can hear what I did in HeyGen and Canva app. Can you guys all see my screen?
Yes, I can
Yes,
see
I
it.
can see it.
Okay, so here's the three kind of examples I made myself with our account. And this is kind of a demo content of what you can do now in Canva with HeyGen. Let me play this for our audience first. The first one is like a kind of breaking news video.
Breaking news: a fierce fire has erupted in Oakland suburb. Local firefighters are on the scene, actively preparing to rescue residents.
Can you guys hear the audio and see the screen moving?
Yes, no
Hello?
Yes,
problem.
no problem.
Okay, great. So yes, this is kind of a news video, a quick news video for social network like vertical screens like TikTok or Facebook, right? And here's another one, a square video maybe for Instagram.
We've surpassed 30,000 followers today. Thank you all for your support along the way. You guys rock. We've surpassed.
Oops. So this is more like a social network celebrating video to the community or audience. And this is one of my favorite. This is more like a product explainer, how-to video, or product announcement. And I just tried to make HeyGen Canva app announcement with Canva and the HeyGen Canva app itself. It's kind of funny. Take a look.
Excited to announce that HeyGen Canva app is now available. Easily level up your designs with engaging AI avatars from HeyGen in 3 steps. Here's how it works.
Yeah, so I think those are 3 quick examples I put together, just like maybe 5 minutes before the webinar, just to show people like what's the initial possibilities now you can do within Canva powered with HeyGen. And it's actually quite easy to get to this kind of engaging and useful content for lots of use cases, like say product explainer, promotional release news, or social media content, or like breaking news, external internal facing quick videos. So the first step you need to do is to find Canva app here, right? Let me close this one. And the first step you need to do is to search for Canva app under search for HeyGen under Canva app. So you can go to this and search for HeyGen. You'll be able to find HeyGen available in Canva app store. And once you go in here, it'll load the UI for you. If you have not logged in, you need to click connect to log into your HeyGen app, which is quite easy. Just log in with your normal username and password. Then when it comes to your design, let me just start from here. So say let's continue to make maybe let's continue to make this one like the next step as an example. So with HeyGen being available in Canva, we can now fully utilize like all the powerful and the rich element library in Canva. Well, I would start from like a template, because Canva has a really good template library that offers all kinds of elements, animations, all kind of stuff. So let's say I'll pick this one, and it has already all the preset stuff. Okay, so this looks like the next actually thing I want to use, because I was beginning with introducing HeyGen app in Canva, right? So I will be talking about something like a next step. So let's say next step, search HeyGen in Canva app, right? And I want to put maybe a screen recording of searching for HeyGen here, like what I just did. Canva offers a function of screen recording, which I'll skip. Let's go to HeyGen now. So I want to add a spokesperson here saying, okay, to kind of read out the instructions for the first step. I can say, step 1, go to Canva app, search for HeyGen, and open it up right there. That's basically the first step, right? I'll use the same avatar I used. So this is the interface of HeyGen Canva app. You'll see all the familiar avatars you see from our library. You can also come here to see all, like we have all our avatars available from male to female. You also have all of your talking photos. If you want, you can also upload one of your photos from your computer as a new talking photo, which is very familiar, I would say, function for you guys now. And this is where you can type your script. We have some suggestions, but for people who are familiar with HeyGen, you probably have whatever you want to say already. And here's where you can select the voices. We have 3 kind of suggested voices here, but you can always click see all to find all of the other voices, like female, male, different languages. We just released this language, so it's available now. Or if you have any voice clone, it'll also show up here. So if I have any voice clone for English, it'll show up on my list. I just have a lot, so I'll skip that part. So once you select voice, you type in your script and confirm your avatar, which is like still the same 3 easy steps. You'll be able to preview your voice and decide if you want to click.
Step 1, go to Canva app, search for HeyGen, and open it up right there.
So this looks like a good kind of quick next thing for me as step 1. So I'll click this button. It'll take what I gave and start making this video right here. It'll be very, very quick, like 1 or 2 minutes. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna just copy this video here, just to pretend that this is another recording I did for the first step, right? So usually it should be, let me see. Okay, kind of laggy. While we are waiting for the video to be generated, I'll just put it here. Okay, so I'll change the background color to match the previous one. Is that great? So let's play this again.
Excited to announce that HeyGen Canva app is now available. Easily level up your designs with engaging AI avatars from HeyGen in 3 steps. Here's how it works.
Okay, great. So I have arranged like most of my elements as the next scene. Once our video is here, I'll be able to import my HeyGen video into my Canva design, just like this. And we'll be able to finish the second step. Okay, here it goes. So the video is returned. We can preview here. Let's take a look.
Step 1, go to Canva app, search for HeyGen, and open it up right there.
That looks great. So I'll click this button to add it to my design. Canva now will load our HeyGen video into the canvas. So you notice that when you, when it first show up, it has kind of a solid color background. And this is where we can now very easily integrate with Canva's powerful functions and elements to make things a lot better. For example, there's a thing called frame. Canva has really good frames, all kinds of frames. So what frames can do is that you can basically drag your avatar into a shape, so it's more like well designed and it can fit into most of the cases in terms of your background. But I can also use Canva's powerful background remover here. So when you click this button and when you edit the video, there's a background remover. I tried either one. For example, in this social video, I used a circle frame because it's more friendly and it kind of fits into this kind of social media vibe. But for this kind of products banner video, I decided to use this background remover because it can make my avatar appear bigger, closer to the audience, also more engaging. Let's see, I can, let me trim this a little bit so that it's easier to navigate. So see, I've now got my HeyGen avatar in Canva directly. I can potentially arrange these elements, or maybe this one, so that they don't overlap, but those are tiny details like that, right? And I have now my second scene. Let's take a look.
Step 1. Go to Canva app, search for HeyGen, and open it up right there.
Great, that looks good. I need to shorten this a little bit. So let's play this again from the beginning.
Excited to announce that HeyGen Canva app is now available. Easily level up your designs with engaging AI avatars from HeyGen in 3 steps. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to Canva app, search for HeyGen, and open it up right there.
Yeah, so that's basically how you can get a very engaging avatar in your Canva design directly. And now you can use all the familiar stuff to share your videos or download it or export in whatever format you want. And at the same time, you can utilize all of the powerful design features from Canva, from rich library, all kinds of animations, those powerful background removing or different frames to make your avatar fit into your Canva design more seamlessly and more one piece. That's kind of a quick walkthrough of how HeyGen Canva app works. Of course, there's different kind of use cases. I'm just using one example. You can use circles. You can use another full body in a vertical video, right? I'll stop here and let's see if we have any questions from the audience. Hello, can you guys hear me?
We can hear you. Can you hear me, Wayne?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Perfect. Okay, let's well, somebody was asking about Spanish, but I think you covered that already. Because you did say that additional languages are coming up in the next couple of weeks. So I think that covers that. Someone's asking, they said ever since Tuesday, the AI outfit has been a little bit wonky. It's probably because there's a lot of traffic, but I'll let you answer that.
So I assume you're referring to the feature inside HeyGen product, right? The main product.
Mhm.
So we'll need to look it up because we do have an increasing traffic, and sometimes it makes the AI interpreter kind of too busy to respond to all of the messages immediately. But thanks for pointing out. We'll kind of look it up and see what happened there.
It looks like someone is interested in talking photo. Is that available in Canva?
Yes, totally available. Not only like all of your previous talking photo either uploaded or generated in your account, but you can also directly make new talking photos right here in your Canva app.
Oh, fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
Great
God,
questions.
that would be all day. Yeah. Can a voice that's already been cloned in 11 apps be integrated into HeyGen?
Yes, so currently in HeyGen main product, you can just import your 11 Labs key so that our system can load your 11 Labs voices directly for you to use. And we are further enhancing that part so that it remembers all of your previous voice configuration. Then we'll be able to return that to either your API request or your HeyGen Canva app account. So it's already available in HeyGen main product, and it's coming to all the other parts as well.
Great. Here's someone asking if we can upload audio file, which I think you
Upload audio file in HeyGen Canva app is coming very soon next week in the next version.
perfect. Now, it looks like someone else wants to know how using HeyGen in Canva will affect their credits.
I think we've answered this question like beginning, but we can kind of introduce again. So the credit system stays the same across for the same account. It doesn't matter where you use HeyGen. You can use it in a main product through API or in Canva app. Its consuming or its calculation is the same. So again, like all of the attendees today, you'll get 5 minute credits. You can either use it from Canva or in HeyGen directly.
Perfect. And I think that someone's saying, will you foresee in the near future a way to generate the video on your local PC?
Um, Generate video on the local PC. I guess that refers to maybe some kind of installable software that doesn't need cloud access. If that's true, it's not coming in the near future because we are kind of cloud-based technology and product company. Everything is
Mhm.
visible for the clients from the cloud. Building a local PC installable version isn't that scalable in terms of like how we can uh, get closer to more users, right? But that's an interesting idea. Like we'll share that with the team and keep that in mind to see if there's any better timing to discuss that.
Okay. Here's a question. Will you all be adding a cropping field to the HeyGen uploaded photos and a big remover tool to refine any big leftover?
If this is referring to uh, HeyGen Canva app, I just demoed that Canva has really strong and powerful background remover and all these kind of tools already. So that's the magic of combining HeyGen and Canva together. If this is referring to HeyGen main product itself, we also have an AI matching feature in there for all of your assets. And we are adding more detailed like cropping or trimming, all this kind of uh, designing tools for your photo and the video elements. It's coming soon too, definitely this quarter, right?
Okay. Here's a question that I got a lot yesterday.
Mhm.
Are users do they have to use the avatars on the grid or can they create their own avatars
They can
with
definitely
Avatar
create
Light?
their own avatars, which is the thing I would say HeyGen is actually the best at in the market. First of all, you can upload a photo as your talking photo avatar like instantly for free without any cost. So in talking photo section, there's a button called upload. You can click that to upload photo from your computer directly. If you are inside HeyGen product, the main product, you can also choose to generate a talking photo avatar directly with HeyGen AI. There's also custom avatar Lite and Pro. Custom avatar Lite only take 2 minutes of recording. It's self-service. You'll be able to get a more premium, high quality AI avatar with the body language or facial expression that you want that really fits your style. Also, very quickly. Feel free to give it a try. And we're also trying to make that part more and more available and accessible for everyone. So an Avatar Pro is more like a enterprise or professional, high quality studio level avatar that many of our clients are also using on their own. So we provide like a full range of private custom avatar production for customers to pick from instant free to the more premium studio level production. We hope to make sure that everyone get to make their AI avatar, like their digital twin, at their choice, at the price or the cost they can afford, and get the best result, best quality coming from that.
Cool. Here's a question. Someone wants to know if we're planning on integrating in the near future with CapCut,
Uh,
the editing
that's
app.
an interesting point. That's the feedback that actually I was asking for. If there's any other system or kind of product you guys use and wish to see HeyGen in there, please bring it up and let us know here or shoot us an email. We're definitely looking to be, building more helpful plugins and apps right at where people work and need HeyGen. Like in the future, you don't really need to
Hmm.
come to HeyGen to get the benefit of our AI, of our avatars. You should be able to get it right there when you need it. So we are very open to explore more ecosystem and the possibilities of like this kind of integration. But please share your expectation and ideas with us first, so we can further research and prioritize.
Yeah, I recently came in touch with a video creator and who actually edits everything on CapCut on his phone.
Mhm.
And I'm like, wow, okay, that's a great, easy integration. You could do it on the go, you can do it wherever you're at. So that's a very good
Mhm.
question. Here's another good question. People want to know if they can add videos from Canva into HeyGen. So does it work in reverse?
That's interesting. Uh,
Mm,
Technically, it's implementable. It's like we can do something like you can open up Canva from HeyGen and import it right there, but it's not there yet. Um, yeah, we'll do some research to see what's the cost there, and I think it actually makes sense to make it connected both ways, right?
someone is asking if you have the time to demo talking photo in Canva.
Well,
Do we
one
have
of the
time?
demo I just showed was talking photo, and it's quite easy. It's the same as the all the other talking photos. Please feel free to give it a try. Free account also has the same credits to make a video, and talking photo is one of the easiest.
Yeah, and if you happen to miss it, if you came in late, he did do a demo, and this video will be available on our
Mhm.
YouTube channel as well as our YouTube Shorts. Because what we do is we actually share all of the questions on YouTube Shorts every day. So be looking for that as well. I think, let me see, talking animals. Someone wanted to know if talking animals are in the
Yeah,
future.
so we do have customers who have been trying to use like more non-human characters or photos to talk. So our algorithm is not optimized for realistic human photos. So that's why sometimes like to animation, too much cartoon or animal don't work that well. But as you
Mhm.
have seen, we have done pretty good job in terms of realistic human faces. We are enhancing that part, and we are expanding its recognition and its support to a wider range, which definitely will go include like more animated style, more stylish photos, and some kind of animal photos. Yeah, please keep us, keep your feedback coming, and we'll expand definitely as where people wish the most.
Yeah, that's exciting. Somebody just posted a message that the Canva and the HeyGen integration so far has saved them 30 minutes of
That's great.
time. So
That's what
that's
we aim to
huge.
do.
Yeah, exactly. Productivity is one of the reasons why AI videos become so popular, because rather than it taking days, weeks to create a
Mhm.
video, you can literally do it in minutes. So it's really, really exciting. Thank you for that, for letting us know
Mhm.
that. That's always nice.
Great.
Um,
Maybe let's
let's
take one more question.
let me see. Yeah, let me see. Someone is saying if you upgrade to a paid account, do you still get the free 1 minute video credit for videos under 1 minute?
Mm, is that a question? Yeah.
It
So,
is.
okay, currently, um, the free 1 minute credit is kind of an incentive for some of our free users who potentially have trouble of making a payment either due to the location or the currency they have. Once upgraded to a paid account, you got like all the plan credits, so that kind of free credit is not available anymore. It's like a paid account doesn't get their free credits when sign up, right?
Okay. Someone was asking us about facial expressions, and we actually posted a video earlier this week about facial expressions and how to change. You can either leave it the way it is, or you can make an animated happy facial expression. So for that person, you might want to go check out our YouTube channel, which is HeyGen_official. We've got all of our tutorials and all of our product releases, everything always listed there first so that you guys never miss a thing. But again, if you have any questions, you can actually shoot an email to contact@heygen.com. You can shoot me an email anytime. I'm kat@heygen.com. Happy to help you, happy to answer. We have a private Facebook group that has 19,000 members. If you choose to join it, it's just Google HeyGen and you'll find it. And with that group, that's of course open 24/7. You can ask the group members questions. A lot of them have experience and are happy to help you anytime, day or night as well. So it's a really nice thing that's what worked well. I think we are good right now. I think that's it for questions. Again, make sure you register. Joy has shared the link a few times. Joy, if you could just share it one more time, make sure that everyone that's attended gets their 5 minute credit. And that will get you well on your way to making videos in Canva and creating avatars using the HeyGen technology. We're super excited to see what you create. Please tag us if you post on social media. We're happy to share. Definitely want to see what it is you're creating because it's as exciting for us as it is for you. So thank you for attending. Wayne, thank you so much, as always, for going through all of the details and showing us, gifting us with your knowledge because you always give us some good little
Yeah, thank you,
nuggets
Kat, and
and
thanks
fun.
everyone for your time to attend. I really appreciate your presence and feedback.
Yeah, we do appreciate it. Thanks again. We'll be here again next Thursday with all kinds of different topics
Mhm.
and showing you some tips and tricks. So see you then. Have a good week. Thanks so much for
Bye.
attending. Bye.